Before we jump in, if you enjoy quick tech updates, gaming news, and honest explanations without the fluff, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Now let's answer a question a lot of people have been asking lately: can you download YouTube on the Nintendo Switch 2? The short answer is no. At least for now, you can't officially download or use the YouTube app on the Nintendo Switch 2. If you owned the original Nintendo Switch, you probably remember that YouTube worked just fine. It had a dedicated app in the Nintendo eShop, and you could watch videos with no problem. Naturally, many people assumed it would be the same experience on the Switch too. Unfortunately, that's not the case. The main issue is compatibility. The existing YouTube app in the Nintendo eShop was built specifically for the first-generation Switch. The Nintendo Switch 2 uses a new hardware architecture, and because of that, the old YouTube app simply won't run properly. Even if you try transferring the app from an older console, it won't launch or function as expected. This isn't just speculation either. YouTube has officially acknowledged the situation. Through their social media accounts, they've confirmed that they are working with Nintendo to bring YouTube to the Switch 2. The good news is that support is planned. The bad news is that there's no confirmed release date yet. As of December 2025, there's still no official timeline for when a compatible YouTube app will be available on the Switch 2. So for now, users are stuck waiting. Some people have tried finding workarounds. One method floating around online involves using a browser trick through the system's internet settings to access the YouTube website. While this technically allows you to watch videos, it's not an app experience at all. It's clunky, not officially supported, and doesn't offer the smooth navigation or performance you'd expect from a dedicated YouTube app. So if you're hoping to use your Switch 2 as a casual YouTube device, whether for background videos, music, or quick viewing, you'll need to be patient. Until YouTube releases an official, compatible app, there's no clean or reliable way to do it. To sum it up, the YouTube app that worked on the original Switch is not compatible with the Switch 2. YouTube has confirmed they're working on a solution, but there's no release date yet, and any current workarounds are unofficial and limited. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more gaming and tech updates, and comment below if you want updates the moment YouTube officially launches on the Switch 2. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.